Hey, want to do a little review here on the Aklot Dyna compressor. Bought this off of Amazon for $14.99. So I'm not sure what to expect at that price point, but I figured it's worth giving it a try. So just came in. It was packaged in a nice box. I hooked it up and we're going to try it out. So let's turn it on. Well, before we turn it on, there's our guitar. It has the attack, sustain, and level for adjusting your level. Obviously, the more you compress it, you'll have to increase the level. You can hear the sustain turns up the volume quite a bit. If we turn it down, very little volume there. Level, attack, that's how quick we want it to kick in. There's no attack. And there's the fast attack. Off. On. I can hear it compressing. So there it is, the Aklot Dyna compressor, $14.99 off of Amazon. And I think it does a pretty good job for the money. Thanks for watching.